Hello students, all are welcome to computer class. Now, today we are going to see the activity for chapter number 5, that is more on MS Word 2007. In this chapter, we have learned many things starting from using format painter, applying superscript and subscript for the text, then finding any particular word and replacing with new word, and so many things. Increase decrease indent, using tabs, set the text properly, then line spacing, then setting the paper orientation, paper size, all this, margins, how to set the margins, all that we have learned. On that basis we are going to have this activity. Now the first point is open MS Word by clicking on start button. See here, first step, the down arrow which is shown, we have to click on the start button. After clicking on the start button, all programs, this option we have to click, or only programs. Then MS Office, we have to select this folder, and after that MS Office Word 2007. After that your Word file will get open. So in that file you can set the margin as per your requirement using the ruler which is shown in the first screen. Okay, on the ruler line you can change the indent, left side indent and right side indent, or go to page setup dialog box and you can set the margin. After that, apply page header as ABC Public School Dehradun. Now this header option is in the home tab. Click on the header option. You will get the your cursor at the header section. There you have to type ABC Public School Dehradun, and a header dialog box, header footer dialog box you will get displayed. Whenever you want to come out of the header or footer, you have to close the header footer dialog box. Like this we have to enter the header, and then after that close the header footer dialog box, means your cursor will come out of the header section. Now after that, divide the page into two columns. For dividing the page into two columns, you have to select the first page layout tab. In the page layout tab, columns, click on the columns option and select 2, because here it is specified 2 columns we have to select. After that, in that sub option is set line spacing property of a page to double. See, line spacing property, you can directly change line spacing from there, but if you want to get the page paragraph dialog box open, click on that launcher. This page setup dialog box will get open. Out of that, for line spacing, click on that downward arrow. You will get the option. See, at the bottom screen it is shown double. You have to select. Okay, means in vertical lines you will get double spacing. Now after that, write the heading date sheet. Here we are writing the heading date sheet. After that we have to format it, means make it bold, underline and set its font size to 18. Press the enter key. See here, data sheet, this word is selected, this set of word is selected, and you can see which is there in blue, that is underline, U button, B button, bold button, and it is at the center of that column. Okay, after that you have to press enter key, means the cursor will come on the next line. Now after that we have to give the headings, that is serial number, subject and other column, that is date. Okay, so here we have to set the tabs. All of you know how to set the tabs, we have learned it. Paragraph dialog box launcher we have to click, and then paragraph dialog box you will get it displayed. After that, click on tabs. This tab dialog box will get open. Set the tabs at different intervals. See, this is 0.5, 1.5 or 2, and then 4 point exactly. See, according to your choice you can set the tabs at certain intervals and click on OK after setting the tabs. Now after that we have to enter the data which is given in the book, that is in serial number, subject and date. few records are given. According to book, you have to enter the data. While entering data, see, first you have to press the tab key. So cursor will get shifted to the particular that first tab. There you have to give the serial number, that is 1. This is for first. While giving the names also you have to use tabs. But while giving the data actual, type 1, and after typing 1, again press tab key. So cursor will go to the next tab, that is 1.5 or 2, where you have set it, that is name subject, and type the subject and press tab key. It will go to the date column, and there you have to type date. After typing date, press enter key. The cursor will come on the next line. Again on the next line, press tab key first, so your cursor will come to the serial number column. Okay, now after that, whenever we are writing the date, we have to write 23rd April, 23rd December, 25th December, whatever it is. So we have to use superscript. This option we have to apply. This superscript option is available in the home tab, font group, which is shown here in the second screen with the red arrow. Okay, how you have to do? After the word, suppose 23rd April, you have written that 23rd RD, this you want to give as a superscript. You want to apply superscript there for these two alphabets. So highlight these two alphabets and then click on superscript option. It will come little bit on the top of that particular number, that is 23rd. Okay, for all the dates you have to apply in the same manner. Now after that, we have to go to the next column. Our first column is over. We have to go to the next column. How to go to next column? See, at the end of the data, in the first column, our cursor is lying there. After that, we have to go to page layout. Click on the option break and select column. After that, your cursor will go to the next column on that same page. See here. Here you have to enter the heading general instructions. Type this general instructions. Now for this general instructions heading, you have to apply the same formatting which we have given for data sheet, that is making bold, giving some color or underline. So how to use that? First, this data sheet heading, all the formatting options we have to copy. For that, use format painter. For that, highlight the data sheet, these two words, group of words, and then click on format painter, which is home tab, clipboard group, which is shown here with the red arrow. Correct? And after that, see you, whenever you will bring your whenever you will drag that in the document, that cursor, instead of a single thin line, cursor changes to the brush along with the line, and this brush you have to drag on the sentence where you have to apply the formatting effects. Drag on that general instructions, this heading, it will get applied to the text. All the formatting you will get applied. It will get applied. See here in the first screen, you can see data sheet and general instructions having the same formatting effects. Okay, as well font as well as the boldness and the underline. Now here we have to find the word IT. This IT word, it is specified, it is shown here with the red arrow in the first screen. Whenever you will click on find and replace, find and replace dialog box opens. This find and replace option is in the editing group, home tab, editing group, the last group. You will get the find and replace option. Click on find, it will get find, it will find the word, and then we have to find and replace the word with the new word. So find and replace, click on replace option. So find and replace dialog box will get open like this. There, find what? Against that you have to type the word IT and replace with the new word drawing, that you have to type and click on replace. You have to click on replace. So here it will get replaced with the new word drawing. Correct? And then we have to save our file. For saving our file, we have to click on the office button, click on the save option and exit the word. Okay. Now in this activity we have learned so many things, how to give column breaks, how to use tabs. All this learn properly, try to do this activity, try to solve this activity properly, and try to learn the things, elements which we have learned in this chapter. By then, thank you.